Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup EV energy usage graphs with Sense Energy, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, ensure that you have downloaded the Sense Energy app on your smartphone or tablet. Open the app and sign in using your account credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Energy tab, which is typically located at the bottom of the screen. In the Energy tab, look for the section that displays your energy usage graphs. Select the graph that you want to back up. Tap on the settings icon, usually represented by a gear symbol. From the settings menu, choose the option for exporting data. You may be given different export formats. Select the format that suits your needs best. After selecting the format, confirm your choice to initiate the export process. The app will generate the necessary files for your chosen timeframe. Once the files are ready, a download link will appear on your screen. Tap the download link to save the files to your device. If prompted, choose a specific location on your device for saving the files. Alternatively, you may have options to directly upload or share the files via email or cloud storage. Select the desired option for sharing your backup. Follow any additional prompts to complete the export or share process. Once the download or sharing is completed, ensure that the files are accessible. This will allow you to revisit your energy usage graphs whenever needed. Regularly backing up your data is essential for tracking your energy usage over time. With these steps, you can efficiently back up your EV energy usage graphs using the Sense Energy app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.